Have you ever wondered how a spacecraft returns safely to Earth after traveling through space? Coming back to Earth is one of the most dangerous parts of any space mission. Because a spacecraft isn't simply falling back down. It has to survive extreme heat, intense speed, and a violent descent through the atmosphere. The journey begins when the spacecraft leaves orbit. Small engines fire to slow it down just enough for Earth's gravity to pull it lower. Once it reaches the upper atmosphere, re-entry begins. At this moment, the spacecraft is traveling at thousands of kilometers per hour. As it slams into the atmosphere, air in front of the spacecraft gets compressed and superheated. This creates temperatures hotter than lava around the vehicle. To survive this, spacecraft use special heat shields. These shields absorb and deflect enormous heat, protecting the astronauts inside. As the spacecraft slows down, the most intense heating begins to decrease. Then, at the correct altitude, parachutes deploy. First, smaller parachutes stabilize the capsule. Then, massive main parachutes open to slow it dramatically. The spacecraft continues descending toward Earth or the ocean. Depending on the mission, it may land on solid ground or splash down at sea. Recovery teams rush to the landing site. They secure the capsule and help astronauts safely exit. So while launch gets most of the attention, returning home may be the hardest part of the mission. Because surviving space is one thing, but surviving the trip back is another challenge entirely.